Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to upload fonts into Easel. To do that, start by selecting the font icon on the left-hand toolbar. When you've clicked on it, you'll be given a drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Add Fonts at the top of the screen. This will take you into the font library window. From here, you can select fonts from the Easel font library, or you can upload your own by selecting Upload Font at the top of the screen. Then click into the dotted rectangle and you'll be brought to your computer's file folders, and you can select the font that you want to upload. And when you're ready, you'll see that font here. You can adjust the name of the font to whatever is going to help you remember it, or you can keep it to what Easel has defaulted. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and click on Upload. And Easel will upload your font and then ask you if you want to use that font now. And it will start a text for you, and you can change the font, edit it, select it again now that it's been uploaded. We'll have a link to a good place to buy, or not buy, a good place to get free fonts that can upload into Easel very easily. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.